A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. So, the soldier them, we did a beat up Jesus and did a take him make laughing stock. I wonder what them did think when them hear say him come back from the dead. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, where you wait for me? Click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus, as according to Mark chapter 15, from verse 16 to verse 20. So the soldier them lead him going at the palace, that at the governor yard, and call up the other soldier them we in a them group. Them put one long purple jacket on Jesus, and one crown make out a macabush on his head. They start big him up, and I say, manners and respect to the Jew them king. Then them lick him up in him head with one piece of tick and pit up on him. Then them go down upon them knee and go on like say them worship him. When they done mock him and take him to PREKE, them take off in purple robe and put on back in own clothes. Then them carry him go away to nail him on the cross. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.